Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'd like to do the unboxing video of the pochette accessoire and how I was able to get this one. Here is the box and the receipt envelope in the back. I did listen to everyone on YouTube to stock the website, create an account. I did that for the whole month and couldn't get it. So I decided to call in the Louis Vuitton store. Like I talked to like 10 different people. They say the same thing. One day I saw it was online and then I tried to purchase it and it out of stock again. So I decided to call the store again, and the lady, the client, the CA asked me if I want to do the wait list. I said okay, I'll do it. She said she's not guarantee when I will get it. I said it's okay, just put my name in. And then it shipped like at 3 a.m. that day, and it's arrived like 2 days later. And I love it so much. It's so pretty. This one made in France. So I just wanted to share my experience that I got it by calling the store. Just keep trying, keep calling.